In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar in Mailchimp. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, sign into your Mailchimp account using your normal login details. Make sure you're entering everything carefully and that you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or team account. After you log in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully so all menu options appear correctly. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, look for the main dashboard area and navigate to the integrations section. Depending on your screen size or the version of the interface you're seeing, this may appear in a sidebar menu or within the main navigation. Take your time here and click into integrations so you can view the different services that Mailchimp can connect with. This area is where you manage tools that help extend what your account can do, including syncing with external platforms. After the integrations page opens, browse the list of available integrations and find Google Calendar. You may see several apps and services listed, so it can help to scan carefully rather than clicking too quickly. When you locate Google Calendar, select it to open its integration page. This is the connection point where you can begin reviewing the setup options and move toward linking your calendar with Mailchimp. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account in Chrome as well, especially if you use multiple Google profiles. That can help avoid confusion later when the integration connects to the wrong calendar. It's also helpful to use an up-to-date browser so pages load properly and buttons display as expected. At this stage, you've successfully reached the Google Calendar integration inside Mailchimp, which is exactly where you need to be to continue setup. If anything doesn't appear as expected, refreshing the page or returning to the dashboard and reopening integrations can often solve minor loading issues. That's it for this part of the process. You've logged into Mailchimp through Chrome, opened the integration section, and selected Google Calendar from the available integration list.